Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Kartra to Stripe for all-in-one growth systems, full guide step-by-step clearly. To connect Kartra to Stripe, begin by logging into your Kartra account. Click on the My Integrations section in the main dashboard. Locate the Add Integration button and click on it. From the list of available integrations, select Stripe. You will be prompted to enter your Stripe API keys. To obtain your API keys, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. Click on API keys to view your keys. Copy your Live secret key for production use. If you're in testing mode, you can copy your test secret key instead. Return to your Kartra account and paste the secret key in the designated field. Optionally, you can also add your Stripe public key if required. Once you've entered the keys, click on the Save button to integrate. Kartra will perform a verification to ensure the connection is successful. If the connection is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Once connected, you can now create products in Kartra that use Stripe for payments. To do this, go to the Products section in your Kartra account. Click on Add Product and input the necessary product details. In the payment settings, select Stripe as your payment processor. Configure the pricing and billing options according to your needs. Once all settings are configured, click Save to finalize your product. Now, your Kartra products are ready to accept payments via Stripe. You can start promoting your products and track your sales through Kartra's analytics. For any issues, revisit the integration settings to ensure everything is configured correctly. If needed, consult the Kartra or Stripe support documentation for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.